In the UK, we have 34 million cars. The global figure is, depending upon where you read, anywhere from 1 billion to 2 billion cars. And that represents a massive problem. What are we going to do with those cars as we go to carbon zero? We need to convert those cars to electric. With a classic car, the journey itself becomes an adventure. People are keen to have them. People are keen to see them. People who own classic cars, there's a degree of emotion around their ownership. They own that car and they drive it because they love it. It's easy for them to say, you know what I would really love is my beloved car, but it's electric.